Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the IFREQTECH PMNN4487A, a replacement battery designed for Motorola APX series radios. Specifically, this battery is compatible with models like the APX 7000, APX 6000, APX 8000, SRX 2200, and their XC variants. If you're rocking one of these radios, you know how crucial reliable power is, especially in demanding situations. The IFREQTECH PMNN4487A boasts a 4,900 mAh capacity, which is a significant upgrade for some users, potentially offering extended operational time compared to the original batteries. It's a Li-ion battery, promising a good balance of energy density and lifespan. One important thing to note is that this is a non-IMPERS battery. This means while it will still charge in your IMPERS charger, it won't communicate battery data to the charger. You won't get the advanced features like adaptive charging or detailed battery health information that you would with an IMPERS battery. However, this also often translates to a more affordable price point, making it an attractive option for those on a budget or who don't heavily rely on IMPERS features. IFREQTECH lists this battery as a replacement for a wide range of Motorola battery models, including NNTN8930A, NNTN7038A, and PMNN4486A. This broad compatibility is a definite plus, increasing its versatility for users who might have multiple radios or unsure which specific battery model they need. The company emphasizes the battery's built-in protection against overcharging, overdischarging, overheating, overcurrent, and short-circuiting. These safety features are paramount, especially in high-stress environments where these radios are often used. Knowing that the battery has these protections in place offers peace of mind. While it's a replacement battery, it's still a very good option. The initial charge is important, with a 12-hour charge being recommended. This is standard practice for many rechargeable batteries and helps to optimize its performance and lifespan from the get-go. In summary, the IFREQTECH PMNN4487A appears to be a solid replacement battery option for Motorola APX radio users. Its high capacity, broad compatibility, and built-in safety features make it a worthwhile consideration, especially for those who don't require IMPERS functionality or are looking for a more budget-friendly alternative. Just remember that since it's non-IMPERS, you won't have access to the advanced battery management features of the original Motorola batteries.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.